Sending money to loved ones in India shouldn't be a headache. And today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do from the UK using Remitly. First, head over to the Remitly website or open the Remitly app on your phone if you don't have an account yet. Tap Sign Up and create an account. You will need to provide your email address, create a password, and verify your identity. Once you're logged in, tap the Send Money button to start a new transfer. Next, tell Remitly where you're sending to select India from the list of countries. Now, enter the amount in GBP that you want to send. You'll instantly see the equivalent amount in Indian rupees INR based on the current exchange rate. Choose your preferred delivery method. You can select from options like direct bank deposit, UPI transfer, or even cash pickup. Each option might have slightly different fees or processing times, so check what works best for your recipient. Enter your recipient's details. This will usually include their full name, bank name, and account number for bank deposits. If you're using UPI, you'll need their UPI ID. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Choose your payment method. Remitly accepts various options, including debit cards and credit cards. Select your preferred method and enter your card details. Before finalizing, review the transaction details, including the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the total amount. Remitly is usually transparent with its fees, so there are no surprises. Once you're happy with everything, click Send or Confirm to complete the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation screen with a tracking number. You and your recipient can use this to track the progress of the transfer. Simple, right? Now you can send money to India with the ease of Remitly.